What if the future of transportation didn't have wheels at all? From high-tech jet suits to silent flying pods, a new age of personal flight is unfolding right before our eyes. These aren't sci-fi dreams, they're real machines built to defy gravity and revolutionize the skies. Let's explore 15 incredible flying innovations that are rewriting the rules of how we move. Gravity Jet Suit. Imagine soaring through the air like a superhero, powered by 5 roaring jet engines strapped to your body. That's exactly what the Gravity Jet Suit offers. With 2 microjets on each arm and 1 on the back, this 1,700 horsepower suit delivers mind-blowing thrust in a wearable form. Crafted from lightweight materials like titanium and 3D printed polymers, it weighs just 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, and can reach speeds up to 85 miles per hour. Flight control is as intuitive as pointing your arms, down to go up and outward to descend. The suit uses aviation fuel or diesel and is designed to fly low over water or grass for safety. Its inventors liken the sensation of flying in the gravity suit to controlling a Bugatti in the sky. With training, pilots can master maneuverability in just a few hours. It's not just a marvel of engineering, it's a gateway into the future of human flight. EHang VT-30. While many eVTOLs are focused on short urban hops, the EHang VT-30 is built for long-range, regional mobility. This sleek, autonomous flying machine offers up to 300 kilometers of flight on a single charge, capable of staying airborne for 100 minutes. With 8 vertical rotors for takeoff and landing and a rear pusher propeller for forward flight, it's engineered for smooth transitions and quiet cruising. Constructed from carbon fiber composites, it combines strength and lightness, along with a triple redundant fly-by-wire control system for maximum safety. The VT-30 isn't just about getting around, it's about expanding the idea of what's possible in regional air travel. It's fully electric, emission-free, and poised to connect city clusters in a cleaner, smarter way. Blackbird. The Blackbird looks like something straight out of a stealth ops film, and it flies like one too. With its tilt rotor design, this personal aircraft lifts off vertically and cruises horizontally with incredible efficiency. Wrapped in a carbon fiber shell, it's sleek, low noise, and agile, with a range of 100 kilometers and speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. Control is handled through a fly-by-wire system that's as intuitive as a video game controller. Designed for solo pilots, the Blackbird makes personal air travel futuristic and stylish. Whether you're commuting across the city or venturing into the wilderness, this silent flyer gets you there with cinematic flair. Zapata Jet Racer. The Zapata Jet Racer takes the concept of a flying chair and turns it into a high-speed rocket. Developed by French inventor Frankie Zapata, this radical aircraft uses 10 micro-turbojet engines embedded around the seat to propel riders at jaw-dropping speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour. It's agile, powerful, and surprisingly compact. The Jet Racer is not only a personal flyer, but also a potential asset for military and emergency applications. Its light, modular chassis allows for extreme maneuverability and even remote control. Whether you're chasing thrills or exploring rapid response tech, the Jet Racer is blazing a bold new trail in aerial mobility. Orb Nomad. Step into the Orb Nomad, a flying capsule that looks more like a spaceship than a scooter. This spherical carbon composite pod is designed for solo flights, using hidden electric duct fans to lift off vertically without wings or runway. It's quiet, compact, and ideal for navigating dense urban environments from above. Inside, you'll find a digital cockpit with intuitive controls, smart environmental data displays, and wraparound windows that offer panoramic sky views. More than just a mode of transport, the Orb Nomad is an immersive flying experience, redefining the relationship between humans and the skies. Hoverbike S3. The Hoverbike S3 is where motorbike meets drone. Developed by HoverSurf, this hybrid machine uses 4 powerful carbon propellers to lift off and hover several meters above the ground. Built from ultralight carbon fiber and powered by lithium batteries, it offers about 25 minutes of flight time and speeds of up to 96 kilometers per hour. The S3 is flown using joystick controls, making it surprisingly intuitive, even for beginners. With a compact frame small enough to fit in a garage and regulatory approval for flight in certain countries, it's more than a prototype. It's a practical glimpse into the future of airborne commuting and rapid response mobility. Pantola Concept H. Sleek, silent, and electric, the Pantola Concept H is a luxury flying vehicle built for urban skies. Created by Pontour Aviation, it features 22 duct fans and a unique tilt wing design for vertical takeoff and smooth horizontal cruising. It can reach speeds of 300 kilometers per hour and has a range of 250 kilometers, powered entirely by electricity. Inside, the 5-seat cabin includes panoramic windows, plush seating, and autonomous flight tech. Whether it's city commutes or emergency medical transport, the Concept H is ready to serve. It doesn't just fly. It does so with elegance, safety, and zero emissions. 2C Flying Car. Imagine your car sprouting wings and soaring over traffic. That's the 2C Flying Car. With foldable propellers and a carbon fiber frame, this dual-mode machine transforms from road-ready vehicle to airborne marvel in seconds. Its electric propulsion keeps things eco-friendly, while its compact size allows vertical takeoff from tight urban spaces. In the air, it glides like a drone. On the ground, it drives like a luxury vehicle. It boasts a range of 250 to 300 kilometers, making it perfect for city-to-city travel. The 2C is redefining daily transportation. No more gridlock, no more limits. Vertical Aerospace VA-X2. A silent revolution in air mobility, the VA-X2 by Vertical Aerospace is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for the urban traveler. With 8 rotors and a sleek frame, it lifts off like a helicopter but cruises like a plane, covering 160 kilometers at speeds of 160 kilometers per hour. Fully electric and zero emissions, the VA-X2 is designed with safety in mind, featuring aviation-grade systems and redundant controls. The quiet, smooth ride makes it perfect for short regional flights or city commutes. It's not just a plane, it's a leap towards sustainable flight for the masses. Pegasus E. The Pegasus E looks like it flew straight out of a sci-fi movie, and that's not far from the truth. With retractable rotors and a carbon fiber body, this hybrid road-air vehicle transforms in seconds, letting you escape traffic by taking to the skies. It can fly up to 480 kilometers and reach 132 kilometers per hour in the air. Despite its futuristic features, it fits in a standard garage and is fully flight certified. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or chasing a new kind of freedom, the Pegasus E proves that flying cars aren't just fantasy, they're ready for takeoff. Drone Champions League Big Drone. What if drone racing wasn't just a game, but a full-blown aerial experience? Meet the Drone Champions League Big Drone, the world's first manned aerobatic drone. This high-speed machine isn't just for straight lines, it performs flips, rolls, and acrobatic maneuvers while carrying a human pilot. With its hybrid system, it can be flown remotely or piloted from within, making it half drone, half aircraft. Although it comes with $1 million price tag, this innovation is aimed at transforming drone racing into a mainstream extreme sport. With futuristic control and full-scale aerobatic capability, it's not just a new toy, it's the birth of a new aviation genre. Martin Jetpack. Forget wings. What if you could fly using twin duct fans on your back? That's the promise of the Martin Jetpack. Developed in New Zealand, this vertical takeoff jetpack lifts you up to 900 meters in the air with a 200 horsepower engine. Whether you're flying for fun or in a search and rescue mission, this jetpack is designed for utility and adventure alike. Built with carbon fiber and equipped with a computer-controlled stabilization system, the Martin Jetpack flies at speeds of 74 kilometers per hour and keeps things smooth and safe. It's like Iron Man meets real-world tech, bold, powerful, and ready to launch. Elio Solo. The Elio Solo looks like a single-seater spaceship made for city skies. With 16 powerful duct fans and a lightweight carbon fiber body, this personal eVTOL lifts off vertically and cruises quietly through the air. It's fully electric, zero emission, and designed for tight urban mobility. Reaching speeds of 250 kilometers per hour with a range of 80 kilometers, it's the perfect mix of thrill and practicality. The cockpit feels futuristic with a spaceship-like interface, giving pilots a real sense of flight. It's not just solo transport, it's solo flight reimagined. Vertical Aerospace VA-X1. The VA-X1 isn't a concept, it's the prototype that paved the way for the VA-X2. This fully electric VTOL aircraft by Vertical Aerospace achieved its first successful flight back in 2018, showcasing what was possible for emission-free urban air travel. Weighing 750 kilograms, it was remotely controlled and powered by 4 duct fans integrated into its sleek aerodynamic body. Although it wasn't designed for passengers just yet, its success helped shape the future of safe, scalable flying vehicles. With vertical aerospace now leading in eVTOL development, the VA-X1 will always be remembered as the proof of concept that took the leap. EHang 216. The EHang 216 made history as the world's first certified passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft. This fully autonomous flying pod carries 2 passengers and is powered by 16 electric rotors arranged across 8 arms. It flies up to 130 kilometers per hour and travels about 35 kilometers on a single charge, all without a pilot on board. It's controlled remotely via 4G or 5G networks and includes multiple redundant systems to ensure safety. Whether navigating crowded cities or running demos in Europe and Asia, the EHang 216 is already shaping the future of air taxis. It's clean, compact, and completely redefining how we move through the air. The age of flight is no longer reserved for pilots or sci-fi movies. From jetpacks and hoverbikes to autonomous flying pods, these innovations are transforming how we think about mobility, freedom, and the sky itself. As technology keeps advancing, personal flight is moving from futuristic fantasy to everyday reality. Which one would you dare to fly first? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech that's shaping our tomorrow today.